find lost phone by clapping hands. So if you want to find your lost phone by clapping hands, then you may have this feature on your settings, but if you don't have that on your settings, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've checked your internet connection, you just need to go for the Play Store. Once you're here on the Play Store, go for the search, and under the search, you need to search for clap to find. Once you've searched here, you will have all of the applications. So this is the application, or you can simply choose any application that you're comfortable with or that you like. So for example, I'll be choosing this one. Once you've choose the application, now if you've lost your phone like in your house, then you can simply clap or whistle to find your phone easily. So once you clap, if it's in the dark, then the flash will turn on automatically and you will find your phone. So that's it. That's how you can find a lost phone by clapping hands. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.